Submit to sponsor. The claims process has 5 steps. Step 1, the provider or center checks for errors. Step 2, the provider or center fixes any mistakes. Step 3, the provider or center clicks Submit to sponsor. Step 4, the sponsor corrects any errors and disallows any meals based on review visits. Step 5, the sponsor creates the claim. This video is about Step 3. Clicking Submit to sponsor will lock out a provider or center from making any changes to menus or meal counts and alert the sponsor that they are finished with their claim for reimbursement. To submit a claim to a sponsor, start by clicking on Check for Errors or Submit to Sponsor on the main dashboard. Note, this button is called Check for Errors or Disallow Meals if you are a sponsor user. Clicking the Dashboard button will open a calendar. On the calendar, select the month and year and click Load. This will open the Check for Errors page. Scroll to the action buttons at the bottom of the Check for Errors page and find the one labeled Submit to Sponsor. When you click Submit to Sponsor, a pop-up message will appear reminding you that clicking Submit to Sponsor will lock you out of making changes to meal counts or menus. Click OK on the pop-up message to proceed. The system will now run through the validation process. Depending on the size of the site and the way the site details are configured, this may take several minutes. A progress bar is displayed on the screen, and once the check of meals and attendance is complete, the page will automatically refresh and the results will display on the screen. When claim submission is complete, you will see several changes. The Check for Errors or Submit to Sponsor button disappears. The icon for Submit to Sponsor will now be green and show the date. The icon on the main dashboard regarding claim status will now be green. A date timestamp of site submission will populate on the View/Create Claims screen at the sponsor level.